In this video, we're going to look at how to take our websites that we've used for our research project and make proper APA referencing for our slideshow. So I'm going to be just looking at climate change. I've got a website that I've already gone into. I've actually gotten a lot of good information for this for my slideshow. So what you will do is copy the URL or the website, create yourself a Google Doc. I've called this Climate Change References, Tools, Citations. We're using APA. I'm going to add a citation source, and in this case we're using a website. The URL that I just copied, I will paste it. It searches for it. Don't worry about the fact that it's missing the publishing year of the contributors. We're okay. Continue. We're not adding author in there. Add citation source and insert reference, and you'll notice that it's put it in right here. I'll go back to my research, which is a Google search. There's another website that I've used down here. And again, I've gotten some very good information out of this that I've used for my slideshow. So I will copy that URL, go back into my Google Doc, add another citation source, website, paste it, search. Again, seems we're missing a couple of pieces of information, but don't be worried about that. Go to continue, add citation, insert reference, and what you might notice is that it ends up stacking the two that we've done, and it kind of builds on top of the original one. So if you have 5 or 6, it will actually stack them in there, and then at the end what we can do is just copy the last of them and take that and put it into your Google slideshow on the last slide.